Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Did you know that using the wrong alarm clock or even your bedroom lighting could be ruining your sleep? In this video, I'm going to show you the smartest sleep gadgets of 2025 that are actually backed by science and designed to help you fall asleep faster, sleep deeper, and wake up refreshed. If you're new here, I'm glad you found us. And if you're not sleeping well lately, you're definitely in the right place. Let's be honest, in 2025, quality sleep is harder than ever. Between screens, stress, and constant noise, falling asleep and staying asleep can feel nearly impossible. But don't worry, I've got you covered. From sunrise alarms to sound machines and even wearable tech, these gadgets might just change your nights and your mornings for good. First on the list is the Hatch Restore 3, and for good reason. Struggling to fall asleep or waking up feeling like you barely slept? You're not alone. And that's exactly why the Hatch Restore 3 has been making waves in 2025. This all-in-one sleep device combines a sunrise alarm clock, white noise machine, and smart light to help you wind down naturally and wake up feeling refreshed. Its sleek, screen-free design fits beautifully on any nightstand and keeps your phone out of the bedroom. Setup is quick through the Hatch app, and from there, you can control everything with physical buttons and a smooth top dial. The gradually brightening light mimics a natural sunrise, easing you awake instead of jolting you out of sleep. It's not the cheapest gadget out there, but for better rest and more peaceful mornings, it might just be worth every penny. Second on the list is this innovative Auricular Vagus Nerve Stimulator that's designed to help you restore calm and relieve stress naturally. If you've tried everything for better sleep and still struggle, this wearable device targets your vagus nerve to promote deep relaxation and faster recovery. It's patented technology that gently stimulates your nervous system, helping to reduce anxiety and improve long-term wellness. The device is discreet and comfortable to wear, making it easy to use while you sleep or during the day. Users report feeling calmer and more rested after regular use, with fewer sleepless nights. While it's a newer technology with a higher price tag, it could be a game changer if you want to tackle sleep issues from a whole new angle. Third on the list is the Muse 2 Brain Sensing Headband, a cutting-edge device that helps you meditate and relax using real-time brain feedback. If you've ever wished you had a personal meditation coach, this headband uses EEG sensors and multi-sensor biofeedback to guide you toward deeper focus and calm. The responsive sound feedback adapts to your brain activity, helping you understand when your mind wanders and how to bring it back. It's designed for home use with a comfortable fit and easy USB-C charging. Many users find it's a powerful tool for reducing stress, improving sleep, and training their brain over time. While it requires a bit of a learning curve, the Muse 2 is a high-tech way to boost your mindfulness and overall well-being. Thanks so much for watching. If any of these sleep gadgets caught your eye, drop a comment below and tell me which one you'd try first, or share your own favorite sleep hack. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more reviews and tips coming your way. Your support really means a lot. Sweet dreams, and I'll see you in the next video.